The Doha Metro is a new, state-of-the-art, best-in-class automated rail network running mostly underground and across the city of Doha. Doha Metro will form the backbone of Qatar's integrated public transport system, promoting usage of public transport system in the country and key ingredient in the accomplishment of the Qatar National Vision 2030. It is set to revolutionize the way people move around Doha and its suburbs. It will serve most of the capital's locations quickly and conveniently, making it a far superior option to the private car. Qatar Metro focused on providing accessible stations with distinctive branding, signage, and digital displays inside and outside the stations. Qatar Metro provide live real-time service updates, simple fare structure for our travel cards, as well as a handy mobile app with all the information you will need when traveling with us. Doha Metro is your answer to safe, convenient, affordable, and stress-free travel around the city of Doha. The Red Line runs for 40 kilometers from Al Wakra in the south to Lusail in the north. This line also connects Hamad International Airport at Terminal 1 to the center of the city. It has 18 currently active stations, notably West Bay Qatar Energy, Qatara and Qatar University. The Red Line has 2 interchange stations for the metro lines, Al Bidda for interchanges between red and green and Meshrib for interchanges between all 3 lines. It also provides interchange stations between the metro and tram with Lake Tafia and Lusail QNB. The Green Line runs east from Al Mansoura to Al Riffa Mall of Qatar in the west. There are 11 stations along the line, with notable stops being Education City, Hamad Hospital, Al Shakab and Qatar National Library. The Gold Line. The east to west Gold Line extends from Ras Buaboud to Al Ajizia. 11 stations run along the Gold Line, with stops at the Qatar National Museum, Souk Waqif, Sport City for Khalifa International Stadium and Al Ajizia for Villaggio Mall. Lusail Tram is a tram service for convenient travel within the new city of Lusail. The network includes 4 lines and 25 stations above ground and underground. Lusail Tram connects to the Doha Metro through 2 interchange stations at Lusail and Lake Tafia. Trams are greener and cope better with traffic than buses. They are also much more efficient in terms of road usage, as one train replaces about 40 cars, which take up a far larger area of road space. Lusail Tram will soon become the main transportation hub for visionary Lusail City, the largest single sustainable development to be undertaken in the state of Qatar.